Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 8th English medium subject English grammar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the chapter nouns. Okay, nouns is a very important chapter in our English grammar. What is the definition of a noun? A noun is a word. Noun is a word. Noun एक word है that names a person. What is about noun? Noun you can say a name of a person, a name of a place, thing or an animal. Whatever the noun, noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal. Everything we can see, जो भी हम कुछ देख सकते हैं और talked about. ओके जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं वट एवर वी आर टॉक्ड अबाउट एंड वट एवर वी कैन सी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अ वर्ड दैट नेम इट. ओके उसके नाम से हम उसको बुलाते हैं. दैट पर्टिकुलर नेम इज कंसिडर्ड नाउन. द नेमिंग वर्ड नाउन इज कॉल्ड इन अ सिंगल वर्ड. इफ यू वांट टू से टू स्पीक अबाउट अ नाउन इन अ सिंगल तो नेमिंग वर्ड इट इज कॉल्ड नाउन. समटाइम्स a noun is the name of something we can touch. Noun is the name of something we can touch, means whatever the things we can touch, that is called noun. Okay, for example, mouse we can touch, cake we can touch, computer we can touch. That all the things we can touch, that is called noun. And sometimes noun are further divided into several parts. Noun are divided into several parts. From how many parts it is divided? Here given types of a noun. First type of the noun, that is called common noun. You can see on your screen, that is common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is used for a class of a person. Okay, class of a person, it is used for or place or thing. First of all, what is the meaning of the common noun? Common noun जो है, what is common noun? Common noun is used for the class of a person, place or thing, unless it starts a sentence or is a part of a proper noun. A common noun is not written with a capital letter. Most important point to remember, common noun जो है उसको आप capital letter के अंदर नहीं लिखो. कॉमन नाउन इज नॉट अ रिटर्न विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, कॉमन नाउन जो है वो आप उसको कैपिटल लेटर से नहीं लिखोगे तो चलेगा. यहाँ पे हियर गिवन सम एग्जांपल अबाउट द कॉमन नाउन. पीपल, यहाँ पे आप सोचोगे इफ़ यू थिंक दैट द फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई हियर रिटर्न पी विद द कैपिटल, क्योंकि सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर है वो कैपिटल है. इफ़ यू सी हियर द नाउन, इट इज़ नॉट कैपिटल लेटर. इफ़ यू सी इट इज़ नॉट कैपिटल लेटर, तो कॉमन नाउन का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल नहीं होता है, बट सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर ऑलवेज कैपिटल होता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी रोट हियर विद द कैपिटल लेटर. So study this example. People should respect law of their country. People is a common noun, so we have to underline. In exam there will be a sentence are there, you have to underline about the common noun and write down here that is common noun. Okay, lion is the king of the jungle, so lion is the common noun. Grandmothers are the best storytellers, so grandmothers is a common noun. A coffee shop is the place where you stop to have coffee and snacks, so coffee shop is a common noun. The city is the prettiest place I have seen, तो city जो है वो क्या है? What is city? City is a common noun. Identify the common noun in the following sentence. Here given some another sentence in which we have to find out what is common noun. एक sentence है, it is fun to play with kids. It is fun to play with kids. प्ले विथ किड्स, तो इसके अंदर कॉमन नाउन क्या है? तो किड्स जो है वो कॉमन नाउन है. द पोलिसमैन शाउटेड एट देम. व्हाट इज द कॉमन नाउन इन दिस सेंटेंस? पोलिसमैन इज द कॉमन नाउन इन दिस सेंटेंस. माई ब्रदर स्लेप्ट ऑल डे, तो व्हाट इज कॉमन नाउन इन दिस सेंटेंस? ब्रदर. दिस आइलैंड्स आर सो स्टनिंग, लुक एट. आइलैंड्स क्या है? व्हाट इज दैट? कॉमन नाउन. पैट्स आर नॉट अलाउड हियर. व्हाट इज पैट्स? पैट्स इज अ कॉमन नाउन. सो from this example you can understand about the common noun. We study about the example and many of the sentences so that we can get the clear idea about the common noun. The second type of the noun is about the proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is a name of a person, place or thing. ओके, इट्स ओन नेम, उसके खुद का नाम होता है. प्रॉपर नाउन इज ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. हियर वी स्टडी दैट कॉमन नाउन इज नॉट रिटन विद द कैपिटल लेटर, बट the proper noun is always start with the capital letters. Here given some example, you can see all these noun words start with the capital letter. Mike travel across the sea. Mike is a which noun? So Mike is called proper noun. So here Mike is travel across the sea. Uncle George will be visiting us soon. Uncle George, so George is a which noun? Proper noun. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is a proper noun. South Africa is slowly becoming popular tourist destination. South Africa is a proper noun. Qutub Minar can be seen from the building. Qutub Minar is a proper noun. Here also given another examples about the proper noun. Jennifer is my cousin. Jennifer is a proper noun. He gave Mr. Jacobs a nice bouquet. So what is the proper noun? Mr. Jacob is a proper noun. London is an expensive city to live in. What is the common noun? Proper noun? London. Sugar enjoys eating the restaurant. So sorry, Sagar enjoys eating in the restaurant. तो सागर क्या है? तो proper noun है. The accident occurred when the bike hit Rohan's car. तो रोहन क्या है? तो रोहन, what is Rohan? Rohan is a proper noun. So proper noun always start with the capital letter, and if you find that the sentence is in talk about a special person or a special thing, okay, what its own, that is the particular thing or particular place, fixed person or fixed place talking कर रहे हैं कोई, तो that is called proper noun. Okay, and proper noun always start with the capital letter. Then now after the another type of the noun, that is collective noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun is a word used to represent a group of a people. If there are many groups of the people, many person, animal, thing were getting together and becoming one thing, that is called collective noun. A flock of sheep was gazing in the field. sheep एक नहीं है, क्या है? झुंड है, that is called flock. तो flock of sheep जो है, तो flock जो है वो क्या है? what is flock? collective noun. she is a part of the school chair. chair means one kind of committee. okay, तो एक स्कूल जो कमिटी किससे बनती है? फ्रॉम विच थिंग कमिटी मेड आउट? कमिटी मेड आउट फ्रॉम द लॉट ऑफ मेंबर्स और लॉट ऑफ पर्सन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कलेक्टिव नाउन. द इंडियन टीम. टीम, अब टीम किससे बनती है? प्लेयर्स से बनती है. प्लेयर कितने होते हैं? बहुत सारे होते हैं. लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स, 11 होते हैं, 6 होते हैं. जैसे जैसी गेम होती है वैसे वैसे प्लेयर होते हैं, तो प्लेयर से टीम बनती है. दैट्स वाई टीम इज कंसिडर इज एज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. कमिटी. द कमिटी डिक्लेयर्ड इट्स डिसीजन. कमिटी किससे होती है? पर्सन, मेंबर्स से बनती है. कमिटी इज मेड फ्रॉम द मेंबर. सो कमिटी इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. द ग्रुप्स ऑफ द ग्रुप विल मीट एवरी संडे. ग्रुप मीन्स a lot of people were gathering too. okay, so that is called group. so group जो होता है वो बहुत सारे लोगों से बनता है. that's why group is considered as a collective noun. तो group, committee, team, chair, flock, okay, that everything you can consider as a collective noun. here given the some common collective noun. common collective noun यहाँ के example दिए गए हैं. let's study band of musician, collective noun. chair of the singer, collective noun. class of students, collective noun. crowd of a people, collective noun. gang of thieves, collective noun. common collective nouns used for animals. animals के लिए कौन से common collective noun use किए जाते हैं? army of ants, collective noun. hives of bees, collective noun. litter of puppies, collective. puppies मतलब बच्चों के छोटे कुत्ते के बच्चे होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पपीज. लिटर ऑफ पपीज, कलेक्टिव नाउन. पैक ऑफ वुल्व्स, कलेक्टिव नाउन. स्कूल ऑफ फिश, कलेक्टिव नाउन. दैट ऑल कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज फॉर द एनिमल्स. ओके, हियर सम कलेक्टिव नाउन दैट इज यूज फॉर द थिंग. ओके, थिंग के लिए कौन से कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज होते हैं? बकेट ऑफ फ्लावर्स, कलेक्टिव नाउन. fleet of the ships, collective noun. Galaxy of stars, collective noun. A pack of cars, collective noun. A range of mountain, collective noun. This all are considered as a collective noun which is used for the things. So you have to remember all this collective noun as a different thing. For example, this collective noun used for the people, this collective noun used for the animal, this collective noun used for the things. So from into the exam, from this collective noun example we'll ask from this only. Okay, so you have to write down in your notebook. I will send you through all the PDF. Okay, fill in the blanks with the collective noun. Here given the examples of the collective noun. A pack of wolves were chasing the thief. Dash of wolves, the pack of wolves. Okay, here given. Okay, wolves of the pack is not given there, so you have to learn from here only. Collective noun के अंदर नहीं दिया है, but you have to learn from this only. wolves का क्या होता है, तो pack होता है. She received a bouquet of flower. It is given upstairs. So bouquet आपको दिया होगा. Dash of flowers, so bouquet of flowers on her birthday. Dash of puppies, dash of thieves, dash of sheep. ऐसा आपको याद रखना है. Okay, she received a bouquet of the flower of her birthday. Okay, bouquet of flower. You can see a litter of puppies into the backyard. A gang of thieves was arrested by the Delhi police. A new dash of ships, matlab fleet of ships, has been included into the Indian Navy. So you have to remember about the different kinds of the collective noun. And then after, abstract noun is king. What is the meaning of abstract noun? Abstract noun is a word that names showing something cannot see, hear, touch. We cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot smell, we cannot taste. That is our inner ear quality. Okay, person's inner ear quality, things inner ear quality, एनिमल्स इनर ईयर क्वालिटी. ओके, हमारी अंदर की जो कोई क्वालिटी होती है, खासियत होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सो फ्रॉम द एग्जांपल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम श्योर अबाउट हिज लॉयलिटी. लॉयलिटी मीन्स क्या होती है, व्हाट इज द लॉयलिटी? ईमानदारी. ओके, ये लॉयलिटी हम टच कर सकते हैं, नो. देख सकते हैं, नो. स्मेल कर सकते हैं, नो. टच का टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, नो. So loyalty is the person's inner ear quality. That means abstract noun is related with the noun that something we cannot see, something we cannot touch, with something we cannot smell, something we cannot taste. That is called abstract noun. Success. Can you see the success? Okay, we can see the success afterward. Okay, we cannot touch, we cannot smell. It is our inner ear thing, okay, from which we get. Success is achieved through the hard work. Success is abstract noun. Happiness is a state of mind. Happiness is a abstract noun. Have a faith in God. Faith is a abstract noun. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a active noun. So friends, this is the abstract noun. So in this examples and in this video we study about the topic noun, its definition, types of noun, in which we study about the common noun, its definition and example. Okay, proper noun, its definition and examples. Collective noun, its examples and definition. And abstract noun, okay, its definition and example. So I hope with the definition and example you can get idea about this 4 noun in exam. This type of the example will come in your question paper, so you have to identify that proper noun and write down as an answer in your answer sheet. In our next video we will discuss about the noun, same topic, into the part number 2. Some nouns are remain to the describe, so in one video that is not possible to describe entire chapter, so I divided this chapter into 2 parts. So in next video number 2 we will discuss about the remaining portions of the noun which is left to discuss. Okay, जो बाकी है डिस्कस करना वो मैं आपको भेजूंगा, वो मैं आपको वीडियो दूसरा भेजूंगा. ओके, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, वॉट एवर द रिलेटेड ऑफ दिस वीडियो, ये जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है, बराबर, वॉट एवर द एक्सप्लेनेशन इज, आई एक्सप्लेन ऑन योर on your mobile with this video. I will send that explanation through the PDF. आपको ग्रामर की एक अलग से नोटबुक बनानी है, to make the notebook of the grammar separately. Okay, उसके लिए तो आपको क्या करना है, उसके अंदर आपको ये एक्सप्लेनेशन लिखना है. उसके बाद मैं PDF भेजूंगा. जो ग्रामर के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, नाउन के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, वो आपको एज एक्सरसाइज लिखने हैं. ये तो मैंने जो समझाया है वो भी मैं भेजूंगा और क्वेश्चंस भी भेजूंगा. तो दोनों चीज, बोथ द थिंग्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन योर ग्रामर नोटबुक. ओके, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू क्लियर. Okay, if you get any difficulty, you can call me or you can contact me about the regarding to the lesson. Whatever the problem you have to face, that you have to ask me. Okay, ठीक है, आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो, लेकिन ये चीज़ आपको अपनी नोटबुक में कंपलसरी लिखनी है और ग्रामर की नोटबुक आपको अलग से बनानी है. ठीक है, इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस फर्दर. ओके, बाय.